I'm using my Everjar for the first time, and it's takes all the oxygen out of a jar, so the food that's in there, dry food, will be very shelf stable. So what I'm doing is I have quart jars. I put it on. It takes about well, less than 10 seconds actually before it's all the way done. If there was less food in there, it would be more oxygen that has to take out, and so it would take a little bit longer. But it's a great way when you get, like today, I'm doing raisins because I got a few bags from a friend, and it just seals it up tight as can be, and I can just put it in my cabinet or the pantry, and because the oxygen is out, it will last a lot longer. So it's just a great little tool that you recharge with your computer, and I say A+.